wedding thing, whatever it is that people do nowadays. You're a very cute baby. You're a big, fat, cute baby with big balls. You are this kind of kitty that would mommy me all day long. You're very good. You play alone. You didn't have to have anyone to play together. You got your toys, you play, and you sing. All day long, Morgan was singing. But then you came to an age where everything was mommy, and then one day I said to him, don't ever call me mommy again. I'm not that nice, you know, I have not been a nice person. I've done bad things. But I closed the door of the car in your hand one time I did that. Because you had your hand over there, I closed the door and then I said, oh my God, what did I do?
But that was partially my fault too, because my hand
Of course,
was there.
because you had your hands everywhere, you shouldn't have it. You know, so you hurt your hand, you're crying, you're screaming, and then I says, well, nothing happened. Maybe it broke, I'll never know, because we did good. What is bad about our lives? They broke. But then again, everybody is.